Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. And I'm always happy to be joined by Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you for always being here and serving up delicious food.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about what we're doing today.
Okay, so we're gonna make an okra salad. So almost everybody's had fried okra. You might have had pickled okra, but maybe you have some okra this summer and you froze it, or maybe you're just in the mood for some okra, okay? And we're not gonna fry it. We do have another recipe on our site for what I'm trying to say, oven fried okra.
Yeah.
Okay, so you could use that, but then this okra, we just tossed it with a little bit of oil, salt, and pepper, roasted it in the oven. You've seen us roast so many things over the last couple of years. So it's just roasted okra, some tomatoes. This is a very southern, I feel like, dish, just a okra salad, black-eyed peas, red onion. You could use whatever onion you want. A little oregano, if you had fresh oregano, that would be fantastic.
I do feel it's got like the southern flair from the ingredients.
Yes, it definitely does. And then we're just gonna put a little vinaigrette on that. So we've got some cider vinegar, and you could use olive oil. We just have some vegetable oil and a little bit of mustard. So we're just gonna go right in with some mustard. You could use different types of mustard, whatever you like. And this is, like I said, cider vinegar and some vegetable oil, and I don't think we need quite all of that. So.
And is this considered more of a side? Could you make it a meal? Just because I'm thinking like you get all the ingredients, the beans and things like that, that you could make it a meal.
Oh, absolutely. And especially with some fish or chicken on top, that would be very delicious. Some roasted chicken would be really, really good with this. So this just gets all mixed up.
And again, with the fresh, I just love how crisp and all the colors, like it just looks so good.
Yeah. Okay, and then just to garnish it, we're gonna do just a little bit of green onion, and we're good.
Is this something you would refrigerate? You can serve it immediately?
I would serve this immediately. I don't know how that okra is going to hold up like overnight. So, I mean, to me, it's kind of I had leftover okra. I don't know if fried leftover okra is necessarily a thing, but people usually eat it.
You might. I mean, usually it's gone, but
yeah,
you could.
You can toss this together the next day.
Okay, so it is something you probably want to serve immediately because of the okra, just to keep its freshness and the taste and all that stuff. Yeah. Well, and speaking of taste, I mean, I might as well try it, right?
Absolutely.
And I'm just heading right for the serving bowl so that you can forget the plate.
Yeah, and like so many of our dishes too, it doesn't have to be black-eyed peas. This really does lend itself to chickpeas would be a delicious alternative, as well as like cannellini beans, a white kidney bean.
No, this is really good. And again, I think you could easily make it a side. You could have, like you said, throw some chicken or fish on it, and you're getting a great healthy option that tastes amazing.
Good.
Thank you very much, as always. And if you guys would like to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to our website, kjrh.com.